Hello, I am Aaron Donlin, Product Manager at Epson Factory Automation Robots.
Hello, I'm Bonnie Chow, Product Manager for ColorWorks Industrial Label Printers.
We are joining you today from our distribution center, which, like many companies this year, has seen a large increase in volume. While this increase is appreciated and we're all very grateful, this has also created many new challenges to deal with on the operational side. The need to give workers as much separation as possible has led to some interesting challenges. We also ship to a variety of different customers, and they each have their own requirements. These can be hard to keep up with and keep people trained, especially as we move production around to try to keep up with demand. With normal labor turnover, it is often hard to train workers on all the possible label variations for each product and customer. As the shipping carriers become more heavily automated themselves, their level for tolerance is becoming even less. This leads to rework, but more importantly, a delay to the customer, which is awaiting their product. What kind of challenges have your customers been facing?
Well, like most of you out there, we've been shipping and receiving a ton of product this year. With huge swings in demand and frequently changing messaging, it may not be ideal to have pre-printed labels because they don't allow any flexibility to make changes on the fly. We're also seeing that the use of monotone, meaning black and white labels, doesn't really do anything to differentiate packages. The customer problem we're trying to solve is how to engage all of these consumers out there as they bring boxes into their home every day.
So that is why we partnered up and built this demo to show the benefits of automation and what an injection of color labels can do for your business.
And let's give you a closer look at our products here.
What you see here is the VT6L all-in-one 6-axis robot. This robot has a 6 kilogram maximum payload and a 900 millimeter reach. We chose this robot for the demo because we can use all 6 axes of the robot for ultimate flexibility, placing labels on the case at any rotation or any side that we want. The 6 axis is also ideal for applying to a round surface, such as a 55-gallon drum. Some other great features that make it ideal for this application is the fact that the controller is built into the base of the robot, so we don't have to worry about where to mount the particular controller. This robot can also be powered by 110 or 220 volts power, which provides flexibility for installation in the warehouse. Mounting options include tabletop as shown here, as well as wall or ceiling mounted depending on the application. This robot utilizes the Epson RC Plus development environment, the same that is used for our high-end 6-axis robot like the C12XL right beside me. We have provided options for cable routing as well. In this case, we have optional brackets that are used to run the pneumatic lines. Also on J6, we have a hollow wrist as well that we can utilize to run pneumatic cables or power lines through for the end of arm tool. I really like this peel and present feature of the printer. It makes it so much easier to integrate with the robot.
This is a new feature on the ColorWorks C6000 series printers that we just launched earlier this year. And in fact, these printers are the first color inkjet label printers on the market to offer peel and present capability. We have been working hard to engineer and design a color label printer that can stand up day after day in harsh industrial and manufacturing environments. So this printer, with its I/O port and peel and present capability, enables a full color print and apply system, which, including these robots, will place this label in the same place on the box every time. What is exciting is that we're bringing color printing to a market that has been primarily black and white for many decades. Color adds so much more communication power. For example, you can use color on a label to make key information pop, to highlight warnings, or to show pictures of the product inside the box. One of the things that we're really excited about is adding color advertisements on shipping labels. So let's say you ordered something online and you get the box delivered at home. Of course, you check the label to make sure the box is for you, and at the bottom of the label, there is a picture of another product that you might be interested in. This shipping label is prime real estate to communicate with your customers. This box is coming from a company that the customer recently bought from and will very likely buy from again. It's a perfect opportunity to cross-sell. And with just one new sale from that color ad, you can start earning a return on investment with your ColorWorks printer.
One of the most impressive features of the 6-axis arm is the amazing price. Starting at $13,900 for the standard environment, suitable for most warehousing applications, is quite impressive. What's even more amazing is that this machine also comes in a clean room ISO 4 and an IP67 spec for the amazing starting price of $15,900.
Nice. And this ColorWorks C6000P printer that you see here has an MSRP of $3,050. Thank you again so much for joining us for this demo.
Yeah, thank you again. A great way to bring color and automation to your business.